Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Reggae dancehall artist Agent Sasuke is set to release another banging album this year. The album Hope River, now available for pre-order on digital platform iTunes, features 14 tracks and includes collaborations from some of reggae and dancehall's biggest names, including international collaborations from the likes of Nigerian artist Stonebwoy and Canadian rapper Cardinal Official. Speaking to E-Prime at his Diamond Studios, located at his Kingston home, Sasuke shared that his new album will boldly blur genres, resulting in an enigmatic sound.
The sound of Hope River, well, which is one of the interesting and fascinating things about the album, is that it's so diverse, as I said, versatile. You know, so there is, like I said, there's that beat from Raging Fire, which is 100% undiluted reggae, straight reggae, no mistake about it. And then you have a track like Legacy, which features Cardinal Official, which feels, you know, more reminiscent of you know, rap or hip hop. And then, you know, you have dancehall tracks on there. So for example, maybe people can help me define exactly what Banks of the Hope is, because there's, you know, it's a dancehall drum pattern, but then, you know, it also has a soothing bass line and some beds in there. So it's, you know, I'm very happy that we were able to incorporate our core DNA of reggae and dancehall in this album, but at the same time, you know, introduce, you know, a new vibe and something that maybe the Massive can't define, you know. Maybe we're creating new genres.
Hope River will be out on August 31 and is the first album to be released on his Diamond Studios label. Local artist Leno Banton has teamed up with Nigerian recording artist Ayotemi on a summer hit called Water Baby. The two artists were introduced to each other's music via the SoundCloud music platform, which led the Nigerian musician to visit Jamaica, where they collaborated to create Water Baby on a track developed by young producer Cone. Water Baby, which is currently available for streaming and downloads on all digital platforms, features a techno-esque beat and is inspired by past love, relationships, and the natural mystic felt when you're posted up by the waterside. Leno Banton, alongside his guitar and newly formed band Lightspeed, are gearing up for live performances. Now on the international scene, a source close to the Queen of Soul, Aretha Franklin, has reported that she is seriously ill. The anonymous source is not allowed to publicly talk about the topic. No more details are provided. The Queen of Soul cancelled planned concerts earlier this year after she was ordered by her doctor to stay off her feet and rest. Last year, the 76-year-old icon announced her plans to retire. Her last appearance was at the Elton John AIDS Foundation fundraiser in November of last year. Aretha Franklin has won 18 Grammy Awards and has charted 73 hits on the Billboard Hot 100, the most of any female artist. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.